Looking for reliable power on the go? Today we're diving into the top 5 laptop power banks for beginners that won't let you down. These devices keep your laptop running when you need it most. Let's explore the perfect power bank for your needs. Before we begin, check the description for exclusive discounts on these power banks. Now let's dive into our top picks. Starting at number 5, ROMOSS 40,000 mAh Powerful Power Bank. The ROMOSS 40,000 mAh power bank stands as a powerhouse in portable charging solutions. It delivers an impressive 65W fast charging through its Type-C port, marking a significant 289% increase in power compared to its previous generation. When it comes to charging efficiency, this power bank fully charges a MacBook Pro in just 1.45 hours, compared to the 5.39 hours required by standard power banks. It supports 30W fast charging for tablets, making it particularly effective for iPad Air users. What truly distinguishes this device is its charging versatility. It can power an iPhone 13 about 9 times, a Mi 12 Pro roughly 7 times, and a Samsung Galaxy S22 approximately 8 times on a single charge. The smart digital display provides real-time updates on current, voltage, and battery status, ensuring you're always informed about your charging progress. During testing, the power bank demonstrated exceptional heat management even during extended charging sessions. Features you'll discover: 65W fast charging capability, triple input options, digital smart display, powers laptops up to 1.45 hours, low current charging mode for smaller devices. Moving to number 4, Baseus 100W 20,000 mAh power bank. The Baseus 100W 20,000 mAh redefines rapid charging capabilities in the power bank segment. This device stands out with its remarkable 100W output, capable of powering demanding laptops while simultaneously charging smaller devices. During extensive testing, it demonstrated consistent performance across various scenarios. The power bank excels in cross-device compatibility, working flawlessly with Dell XPS series, Lenovo ThinkPads, and the entire MacBook lineup. Its intelligent power distribution system automatically adjusts output based on connected devices, ensuring optimal charging speeds for each one. The digital display provides precise readings of remaining capacity and charging status, eliminating any guesswork about power levels. In real-world use, it maintains stable performance even when pushing maximum output through multiple ports. The build quality deserves special mention. The device features premium materials and thoughtful design elements that enhance durability and heat dissipation. Key features to consider: 100W maximum output power, dual Type-C and dual USB ports, quick 90-minute recharge time, compatible with major laptop brands, digital battery level indicator. Next up at number 3, MOVESPEED Z70 Pro Large Capacity Power Bank. The MOVESPEED Z70 Pro revolutionizes portable charging with its massive 70,000 mAh capacity. This power bank serves as a mobile power station, capable of providing up to 17 charges for an iPhone 15 or 11 charges for a Samsung S22. For laptop users, it delivers 6 full charges for a MacBook Air or 2 complete charges for a MacBook Pro 16. The 100W PD fast charging capability transforms your charging experience. Imagine getting your MacBook Pro to 50% in just half an hour. The power bank incorporates car-grade batteries, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. Despite its tremendous capacity, the design maintains a surprisingly compact form factor. The integrated 3-level lighting system isn't just an afterthought. It provides practical illumination for outdoor scenarios, while the SOS mode adds a crucial safety feature for emergency situations. During outdoor testing, it proved exceptionally reliable for extended camping trips and outdoor workstations. Notable features include massive 70,000 mAh capacity, 100W PD fast charging, built-in emergency flashlight, dual USB-C and USB-A outputs, compact design despite large capacity. Taking the second spot, Baseus 65W Power Bank. The Baseus 65W 30,000 mAh exemplifies sophisticated charging technology in a practical package. This power bank distinguishes itself with comprehensive protocol support, including FCP and SCP for Huawei devices, Quick Charge 3.0 for Xiaomi, and 45W Quick Charge capability for Samsung devices. The charging efficiency is remarkable. It takes just 3 hours to fully recharge the power bank when using a compatible 60W charger. In practical usage, it demonstrates exceptional versatility by simultaneously powering laptops and smartphones without performance degradation. The actual capacity delivery is impressive, with 18,000 mAh rated capacity ensuring consistent power output throughout the discharge cycle. During testing, it maintains stable temperature levels even under heavy loads. The power bank's intelligent charging system automatically detects connected devices and adjusts power output accordingly, preventing any potential damage from incorrect voltage delivery. Essential features: multi-protocol fast charging support, 5 outputs and 3 inputs, 3-hour full recharge time, 18,000 mAh rated capacity, digital power display. And finally, our top pick Essager power bank. The Essager 20,000 mAh 65W power bank earns its top position through thoughtful design and exceptional performance. This power bank strikes an optimal balance between portability and power delivery, with its lightweight 336G design making it perfect for daily carry. The built-in cables eliminate the common frustration of forgotten or tangled charging cords, while the dual USB-A and USB-C outputs provide maximum flexibility for different devices. The Li-polymer battery technology ensures consistent power delivery throughout the discharge cycle while maintaining the highest safety standards. During extensive testing, it demonstrated remarkable temperature control and charging efficiency. The power bank's two-way quick charge support means you're not just charging devices quickly, you're also spending less time recharging the power bank itself. The LED power indicator provides clear, easy-to-read status updates, eliminating the guesswork in remaining capacity. Standout features that make it our top choice: lightweight design at 336G, built-in charging cables, LED power indicator, two-way quick charge support, premium Li-polymer battery. Conclusion: there you have it, the top 5 best laptop power banks tailored for beginners. Whether portability or high capacity is your priority, there's something here for everyone. If you're ready to make your pick, check out the links in the description below to learn more about each product. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.